The liver is one of the most important organs in the body, responsible for detoxifying chemicals, metabolizing drugs, and filtering the blood. Maintaining a healthy liver is crucial for overall well-being, and people in blue zones, regions where longevity and vitality are common, incorporate natural detox practices into their daily lives. While the idea of detox is often associated with strict diets or special drinks, in blue zones, detoxification comes naturally from the everyday foods and beverages they consume. This video will explore 7 liver-friendly recipes inspired by the diets of people in blue zones. These recipes focus on whole, plant-based foods rich in antioxidants, fiber, and anti-inflammatory properties, which support liver function and promote overall health. 1. Nicoya's Turmeric and Ginger Detox Tonic. Nicoya residents consume simple, natural tonics that promote overall health. This turmeric and ginger tonic supports liver detoxification through powerful anti-inflammatory compounds. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon fresh turmeric, grated, or 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. Juice from 1 lime. 1 tablespoon honey, optional. 2 cups water. 1. Bring water to a boil, then add turmeric and ginger. 2. Simmer for 10 minutes, then strain. 3. Add lime juice and honey to taste. 4. Serve warm or chilled. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known to support liver detoxification by enhancing the production of enzymes that remove toxins. Ginger is anti-inflammatory and helps improve digestion. 2. Sardinian roasted garlic and lemon detox spread. Garlic is frequently consumed in Sardinia and is renowned for its detoxifying properties, particularly for the liver. Ingredients: 1 head of garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil, juice from 1 lemon, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Preheat oven to 400 degrees, 200 degrees. 2. Slice the top off the head of garlic and drizzle with olive oil. 3. Wrap in foil and roast for 30 minutes until soft. 4. Squeeze the roasted garlic cloves out of their skins and mash them with lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 5. Spread over whole grain bread or use as a dip for vegetables. Garlic contains sulfur compounds that activate liver enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Lemon adds vitamin C, which helps with liver detoxification. 3. Sardinia's artichoke and lemon detox drink. Sardinians often use artichokes in their cuisine, which is excellent for liver health due to their ability to stimulate bile production and improve digestion. Ingredients: 1 artichoke, steamed. Juice from 1 lemon. 2 cups water. A pinch of sea salt. 1. Steam the artichoke until tender and remove the leaves. 2. Blend the artichoke hearts with lemon juice, water, and sea salt. 3. Serve chilled as a refreshing, detoxifying beverage. Artichokes help increase bile production, aiding in the detoxification of the liver. Lemon further supports liver function by stimulating digestion and providing vitamin C. 4. Ikaria's Herbal Liver Detox Tea. Herbal teas are a common feature in Ikaria, where longevity is celebrated. This herbal tea includes liver-supporting ingredients like mint, dandelion root, and rosemary. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried dandelion root, 1 teaspoon dried mint leaves, 1 teaspoon dried rosemary, 2 cups boiling water. Honey, optional. 1. Add the herbs to a teapot and pour boiling water over them. 2. Let the tea steep for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Strain and serve with a touch of honey if desired. Dandelion root is a potent liver detoxifier, stimulating bile production. Mint and rosemary both have anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce liver stress. 5. Ikaria's wild greens and olive oil salad. Ikaria, Greece, is one of the blue zones where people often live well into their 90s and beyond. One of the staples of the Ikarian diet is wild greens, which are packed with antioxidants and phytonutrients that support liver health. Ingredients: a handful of dandelion greens, or spinach kale, a handful of arugula, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil. Fresh lemon juice from 1 lemon. Salt and pepper to taste. 1. Wash the greens thoroughly. 2. Lightly steam the dandelion greens for a few minutes to reduce bitterness. 3. Toss the greens with arugula, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. 4. Serve immediately as a refreshing side dish. Dandelion greens are known for their liver detoxifying properties. They help increase bile flow, which aids in digestion and detoxification. Olive oil provides healthy fats that reduce liver inflammation. 6. Okinawa sweet potato soup. Okinawans, famous for their longevity, regularly consume sweet potatoes, a rich source of antioxidants and fiber. This simple soup promotes liver health by supporting the body's natural detox processes. Ingredients: 2 medium Okinawan purple sweet potatoes, or any sweet potato variety, 1 small onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 cups vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon ginger, grated, salt and pepper to taste, fresh cilantro for garnish. 1. Peel and dice the sweet potatoes. 2. In a large pot, sauté onion and garlic in a little olive oil until soft. 3. Add ginger, diced sweet potatoes, and vegetable broth. Simmer for 20 minutes until sweet potatoes are tender. 4. Blend the soup until smooth and season with salt and pepper. 5. Garnish with fresh cilantro before serving. Sweet potatoes are high in fiber, which helps the liver by supporting healthy digestion and promoting toxin elimination. The addition of ginger boosts anti-inflammatory benefits. 7. Nicoya's black bean and cilantro detox salad. In Nicoya, Costa Rica, black beans are a dietary staple. This black bean salad is high in fiber, plant-based protein, and liver-supporting antioxidants. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked black beans, 1 cup cherry tomatoes halved, 1 small red onion chopped, 1 bunch fresh cilantro chopped, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. 1. Combine all ingredients in a large mixing bowl. 2. Toss well to combine. 3. Let the salad sit for 10-15 minutes to allow the flavors to meld before serving. Black beans are rich in fiber, which helps the body eliminate toxins through digestion. Cilantro is known to help the body remove heavy metals, making this salad a powerful liver-friendly dish. The people of blue zones don't rely on extreme detox regimens or restrictive diets to maintain liver health. Instead, their daily habits and whole foods-based diet naturally support the body's detoxification processes. Incorporating these recipes into your routine can help promote liver health, reduce inflammation, and support overall wellness, inspired by the longevity and vitality of Blue Zone's residents.